Good Monday evening, Southeast Texas. We're watching a very strong upper level disturbance move through northern Louisiana, and that may just coax a couple of showers of storms in our direction later on this evening. So some of those storms could be strong, so keep that in mind. Otherwise, our weather headlines besides those evening storms, triple digits and dry weather expected much of the next 10 days across Southeast Texas. Moderate levels of weed, pollen, and mold still showing up on today's Southeast Texas allergy report. Not expecting a drop of rain tomorrow. Highs will be in the lower 100s, and an excessive heat warning will be in effect. We could see heat indices 108 to 114 tomorrow across Southeast Texas. And as you can see, the lows and highs will generally be in the upper 70s to near 80 and into the lower 100s for the most part in Southeast Texas. Otherwise, no significant rainfall. We're going with the drier forecast. One model showing almost an inch as we head towards Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday of next week. We're not going to go with that. We're going to go with hot and dry across Southeast Texas. High pressure, strong high pressure is over the state, but we're also watching a strong upper level disturbance. So the big question is, will this keep the shower and thunderstorm activity in southwest Louisiana, or will we be able to generate showers and storms over Southeast Texas later on this evening? So it's basically which is going to win. Is it going to be the disturbance, or is it going to be high pressure over Texas? We're right on the edge, so it's not a clean forecast. It's a difficult forecast. We'll keep a 20% coverage. Could it be more? Maybe less. So going to be very interesting to see what happens tonight. High pressure in charge of areas of the state's weather. We'll watch this disturbance come through tonight, and then the high actually builds over our area as we close out the work week and head on into the weekend. Then the high will move over towards the desert southwest as we head towards the middle of next week, and that may just allow afternoon high temperatures to cool below 100 as we head on into, say, Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So again, awfully hot out there, a lot of heat energy in the atmosphere. So these storms, if they do materialize over Southeast Texas, could be severe. We'll keep a 20% coverage as temperatures don't fall that much tonight. Probably the upper 70s in the lakes to the lower and near 80 degrees here in the triangle. Look at that, near 100 by noontime on this particular model. We'll go 102 in Beaumont and 103 in the lakes area with dry weather. On the Gulf of Mexico, mostly smooth seas around a foot are expected tomorrow. We'll see southwest winds in the afternoon at 5 to 15 knots, water temperature 88. So a 20% coverage of evening storms, which could have an attitude. We'll go with 77 in the lakes to the upper 70s to near 80 in the triangle. Then tomorrow, an excessive heat warning is in effect. This means heat indices as high as 114 degrees are possible across Southeast Texas. Actual highs anywhere from 101, 102 to maybe 103, possibly 104 as winds become southerly. Extended forecast after a record high temperature tomorrow. Every day through the end of the work week will be at or above 100 degrees in Beaumont. Obviously hotter in the lakes area with no rain due to capping and upper level high pressure. Saturday and Sunday, no rain, at or above 100 degrees in Beaumont, obviously hotter in the lakes area with mostly sunny skies, capping and strong high pressure, and very warm temperatures at 10,000 feet will preclude us from seeing any rainfall. Then Monday and Tuesday, still hot, at or above 100. Then that high begins to move off towards the desert southwest. Right now, we're not going to go any rain because of capping and dry air, but we will cool our afternoon highs into the upper 90s. So the bottom line is more of the same, hot, humid, and dry. Download our app, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com.